How to apply Amazon warehouse jobs in USA, pretty much step by step. But anyways, Amazon hires thousands of warehouse workers across the US. So every year for roles like fulfillment associates, pickers, or packers, and sorters, pretty much those stuff. But anyways, all you have to do is find their link or pretty much the Amazon jobs option. So you can go to their official site as well, like the hiring.amazon.com. Once you're there, you should be able to find a specific job. If you want a guide on how to do that, they also have that option. So you can choose the steps on what you're gonna need to do in order to get a job. But anyways, if you want to warehouse jobs, just of course put in the filter like warehouse jobs. You'll be able to see it over here, but you're gonna have to filter it in USA. So put in the zip code or CST, which is inside USA, and once you do that, you're gonna put in how many hours a week do you want to work. Next, again, the times work that is best for you, like early morning, daytime, evening, night, weekday, or weekend. Once you've done that step, how long you are planning to work at Amazon. So you have the regular option, which is more than 3 months, or the seasonal, which is 3 months or less. And finally, when you can start working. So either as soon as possible, and the other three options, or the options that will be given to you. Once you pretty much press on done, it's gonna filter out automatically the jobs that is pretty much as close as possible for you to take. So once you do that, you'll be able to fill out an application, book a hiring appointment, so complete background check and drug test. So Amazon requires a background check as well. So attend the orientation after that and then start work. So once approved, you'll be invited to an orientation session. So after training as well, you can start your shifts at the warehouse. So Amazon warehouse jobs open and close quickly as well. So before Prime Day and holiday season, so apply early and check the site often for updates. But anyways, hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.